Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to edit code on Shopify. So in order to do this, first of all, log into Shopify using your user credentials. Now, after you log into Shopify, you'll be on Shopify's dashboard where you'll have to simply click on the online store option at the left corner of the screen. Now, this will automatically take you to your themes page. Here, you're going to see various options such as customization, edit theme, add theme, pick a plan, and different options available. Now, you'll have to simply click on this three-dotted icon just at the left of customize and click on edit code option. So you will be seeing preview, rename, duplicate, download theme, edit code and default theme content. Simply select edit code and it is going to take you to this page where you will see your layout, template, section, snippets, config, asset and locals. Now simply select the section that you want to edit code for and choose the file that you want to edit and you will see all the code for that specific section or the page for your Shopify. Now if you want to edit, simply place your cursor, add anything you want or remove anything you want and click on the save icon at the top. And you can also click on preview store and see how your store looks like after the editing. Now, after doing this, click on save and click on exit button at the top left and you would have successfully edited your code on Shopify. So that is how you edit code on Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.